We have to find the derivative of this function. Y is equal to 3x minus 5 power 3. So I will not go through the long route. I just take the simplest route. I'll simply say that y, or let me say dy dx is equal to, I will bring this 3 up here to come and multiply 3x minus 5. So we have 3 times 3x minus 5 is power 3 minus 1. Then I'll differentiate inside. That's why they call it function of a function. Yes, there's a function inside and the whole of this is also a function. So differentiating inside, I will have times 2. So that will give me 3 times 3, 9 into 3x minus 5 raised to power 2. And by so doing, we have differentiated that function as simple as that.